This image has two tassels. I want only this one. I do not want this one. So I'm going to show you how Magic Eraser can remove this. Okay. Select the picture, go to edit, and then we go to Magic Eraser. You have to have Canva Pro to be able to use this feature. Okay. And then, oh no, I need to cancel this. I haven't done anything over there. Uh, okay, let me make my thing bigger, my eraser. Not too big, but so I'm going to erase this right here. And I'll let the Magic Eraser do its thing and change it up. You see that? If you want to, you can undo it, like undo, and then you go again, and then we're gonna make our eraser a little bit smaller. Let's leave it like that. And then I will erase here. Okay. Let's see how it will be. Okay, only a little bit is gone. Let's erase it some more. This time I'm going to try to erase everything. Cover the whole yellow right there. Okay, there's a little bit left. Let's go for the little bit that is left right in here. Okay, so we erased the whole thing. So I see a tiny bit yellow here still. Let me go in. Let me go back. Go back and I'll go into it one more time. Okay, I see a tiny bit yellow here yet. Let's see what we can do. So it should be good by now. Okay, so we erased the whole thing. Let's see if we can fix the hair in here, like erase some of the parts, the sticking parts. Oh, that's good. Maybe we can erase. No, I'm not touching. So you go and practice with it. Yeah, practice with it, train yourself with it, and you will see how it will work for you. You have to have Canva Pro to be able to use this feature. And if you need Canva Pro, I will have the link in the description below where you can sign up for Canva. Thank you so much for watching, and go use the Magic Eraser. It will do a lot of wonders for you. Bye.